Dear students, how are you? You know, most of you have already come to Bhagalpur, and I have also started my institution. So far as you know, so many chapters have already been finished during lockdown period, but many chapters are also left. So if you don't attend your class regularly, it will be a problem for you. And particularly I want to tell you that you have to study. If you are a student of science, you have to study physics, chemistry, maths or bio. But for all the students who belong to commerce, arts or science, all of you have to study literature paper, and there are two literature papers. The first one is English and the next one is Hindi. English is also 100 marks and Hindi is also 100 marks. And if you are careless, if you don't care, if you don't study English properly, if you don't study Hindi properly, what will happen? What will your result? You can't obtain good marks. You can't obtain more than 70% marks, because there are only three subjects: physics, chemistry and math, or physics, chemistry or biology. But you have to study English of 100 marks and Hindi is also 100 marks. So you have to think that both the subjects are, both the papers, it means both the literature papers are also very very important. So you have to pay attention and you have to study hard. And if you don't study English, what will happen? You can't get good marks, you can't obtain good marks. Suppose if you get 70% marks in math, physics and chemistry or bio, but if you don't get 70% marks or 80% marks in English, your result will not be better. So for this you have to study English also. And if you study English or study Hindi and get more than 80% marks, this year when the result of intermediate came out, what happened? The highest marks the student got was 96% in English. It means a student got 96 marks out of 100. Think yourself. And if you obtain 40 marks, 30 marks, as you got in matriculation examination, most of the students got 30 marks in matriculation examination, 35, 40, below 30. Think yourself. So what will your result? So I only tell you that you must pay attention, particular attention to the language subject, language paper like Hindi and English. Okay, and I'm always ready to help you. You have to study grammar portion, you have to study books, and you so far as you know, there are only two books: Story of English and Rainbow Part 2. So I have given so many videos on YouTube, so you have to study from there. And in my opinion, there will be two classes will be held. The first one is offline class, and the next one is online class also, because only a few months have left. And in other words, if I can say you, your examination is at hand, your examination is very near, and the commencement of date of the examination has perhaps given, perhaps it has been published. So you have to see the date of the examination and how much have you to study. So without wasting your time, you have to pay your attention, you have to study regularly, you have to labor hard. And as I teach you English, so particularly I want to tell you something for English only, that learn some stories, I mean to say summary of poems and grammar portion. So I have already taught you many chapters that you have to finish, you have to complete. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. I am always with you. Okay, thank you very much and good night.